Welcome back to the channel. Real quick, let me show y'all something, show y'all what's going on today. Alright, I'm replacing this transmission, right? Oh, by the way, this is a 2012 Caravan. Jiffy Lube claim, insurance claim. I think they put the wrong fluid in it, and I think they put oil or brake fluid or something in it, and it has circulated throughout the trans. So instead of going through the trans and trying to clean and recondition it, the adjuster want us to just put a unit in it. But keep in mind, when you do that, man, I'm getting off track, but also clean that cooler out. Grab these cooler lines. Every transmission gonna have, at least most cars gonna have a transmission cooler. If you facing with or you tackling contamination problem, you have to clean out the cooler. All right, I'll talk about that on another video. Right now, what I want to talk about is this situation here. I don't know how many of y'all have taken 62 Ts out, but it can be a pain if you're not careful. Anyway, in the process of removing this, I fought with this little shim cover. Now, it's supposed to be a dowel pin right here and a dowel pin right here. Well, during the removal process, the dowel pin stayed inside the transmission. So while I was removing this got all bent up and all banged out of whack, and I had a hard time getting the transmission out. Of course, I just laid it on the ground and hammered down on it, trying to straighten it out. I got most of the kinks out, but see, here's one dowel pin, here's the other. This one is missing. It go right here. It's not really missing, it just stayed in the transmission. Where's the transmission? Where's the transmission? Right here. Okay, as you can see, it's still in here. All right, now shouldn't be hard. I mean, go behind it and bang it out. But the thing about it, you're gonna lose some of this tight fit by reusing it. Now I have some new ones ordered. They normally, but because this is an insurance job, I'm gonna end up using this one and they need the car today. We don't have none in stock, so I got to do what I got to do. This part is not hard, but I want you to keep in mind or bear in mind how important these are, okay, to the mating surface, between the transmission and the block. They have to be married together and sitting extremely flush with each other. Here's something I did last week. Here's a flywheel I did last week. I posted that video earlier. See that this flywheel is broke. Remember I talked to y'all about this not being a wearable item. I mean, this don't wear. It's just a piece of steel. So something has to cause this. So when you got one of these, you should be really looking at mating. The mating between the transmission bell housing and the block. Every time I got one of these, I always get two new of these. It may seem minor to you and minute, but they are very, very, very important. So like I say, I'm gonna bang this one out from this way. I think I got a punch that's real small to get that out because I have to reuse it. The car has to go today, but I just want to cover that with y'all. If that dowel pin come out with it, man, if you can get new dowel pins, new Mopar dowel pins, and you're gonna have to, you can't not use this. It's gonna be extremely hard to get this back flat and straight the way it was. Okay, but you'll figure it out, especially if you're faced with time and all that good stuff. It was extremely bent. I got most of the kinks out, and I have to get the rest out. All right, so that's all I want to cover with y'all, man. I'm getting ready to replace this transmission. Insurance claim. I know a lot of people think the 62T ain't shit or ain't nothing. Damn, I gotta bleep that out. But it's a sturdy transmission, good transmission. Okay, just have a few problems, and they pretty much all worked out. What's going on with most of them is people not servicing them. Okay, if you service these transmissions, they will do you good. If you do it good, it'll do you good. It will last a lot longer. All right, so without this video being longer, let me get out of here and finish this up. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.